What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Do you have an issue with your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep product and you've fixed the issues, like say you fixed you've added new plugs and wires and you're still having a misfire, and or you changed your EGR and you still have an EGR code? Well, Dodge is notorious for this, especially the Grand Caravans between 07 and 10. Their connectors right here, I covered that one up in aluminum tape, but right there, that brown one, water comes in through the hood from like right there, drips down and fills up in those, and that'll cause limp mode, that'll cause EGR codes. All you have to do is open it up, clean it out, put some dielectrical grease back in there, coconut oil, something like that, close it back up. Make sure it's watertight, and that'll fix your limp mode, that'll fix your codes. You'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching.